All right, I've got a little bit of a side project here that I need to uh, tinker with, or something I think is going to help me in the long run. I've been contemplating a way where I can basically stack one of these on top of the other uh, temporarily, basically so that the gear blank will be essentially permanently mounted to the dividing head, and then I'll mount the actual gear outboard of it so that I can use it to set the angles, set up the mill, set up the dividing head, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an adapter, basically, uh, a little cylinder of sorts, match the outside diameter of the head of this bolt to come up through the inside diameter of that, and so that'll keep the whole thing centered up pretty well. And I'm going to drill and tap this 3/8 inch bolt for a 1/4 20 also. So got my dimensions all scratched down on a little dry erase board. So got a piece of material chucked up. I'm going to go start in on that on the lathe. All right. So there's the material I'm working with. And there's the dimensions that I'm shooting for. I know it's just a bunch of chicken scratching, but at any rate, that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to start working on this. You guys have seen lathe turning work all before, so I will pause this and bring you back when I've got something meaningful accomplished. Once I can hit the pause button, that is. Alrighty, so I've got an outside diameter that I like. I've got a 1/4 inch hole all the way through it, and I just went in with something a little bit wider than a 1/2 inch. So it's time to get my 0.640 to match this head here. So anyways, let me move the camera around over to here, and I guess you can kind of watch a little bit.